In the event we need to roll a patient over from a face down position, get them into a supine face up position, what we want to do is we want to take the arm that's closest to us and bring that up alongside the head. Most importantly, bend it from the elbow, flip the arm over, and then ultimately support the shoulder, grab from the wrist, and bring the arm straight up above the head. Take your hand at the hip and you're actually going to grab right onto the iliac crest, so right onto the bone proper. Hook onto that hip bone, the iliac crest, slide your other hand in between the shoulder and the neck, and then you're going to corkscrew the individual from the hip, setting the head on the arm and then catching the head as it comes over, aligning the head into a neutral position. And we've got the person rolled over.